Hi, I'm Alexander Gable Ridge III from Isaiah Industries. We've been manufacturing metal roofs for over 40 years now and have a history of firsts under our belt. We were the first manufacturer to offer PVDF coatings in decorative metal roofing, the first to use heat-reflective pigments in residential roofing, and the first to offer our patented color and pattern-changing chameleon finishes. But what if I told you that your roof could predict the weather, give you the winning lottery numbers, plan your family meals for you, and save the planet all at once? Welcome to the future, the world's first 3D printed metal roof with AI capabilities. So, how does this marvel of modern engineering work? Each 3D printed metal roof is crafted with laser precision, ensuring it fits your house perfectly. Our AI roof, affectionately named Rufus, is 3D printed with solar-infused pigments made from recycled metal nose strips from old face masks. It's like giving your roof a superpower and helping the environment at the same time. The built-in AI maintenance system ensures your roof is always in top-notch condition, alerting you of potential issues before they become a problem. Also, the solar-infused panels generate enough energy to power your home and the electric vehicle you will soon be forced to buy. Now let's welcome our lead engineer to explain the science behind it.
Hello, everyone. I'm excited to explain the workings of this innovative roof. Let's start with the 3D printing process. Using a sophisticated additive layering technique, this procedure meticulously deposits the reclaimed metallic strips, originally from the nose bridges of medical masks, to construct a robust and dimensionally accurate roof structure. The AI part is where things get interesting. Harnessing the predictive power of machine learning algorithms, our system checks historical weather data, continually refining its forecasting for enhanced precognitive accuracy. Our neural network is calibrated to extrapolate future winning lottery numbers. This is accomplished through an intricate analysis of archetypal winning digits and cumulative prize volumes, employing advanced heuristic techniques to distill recurring probabilistic trends into likely numerical outcomes. By analyzing the air in your home's attic, Rufus can even detect the stomach enzymes emanating from your home's occupants, creating the ideal meal menu to suit your family's needs at any particular time. The roof itself is a solar photonic capture device. The panels incorporate a matrix of high-efficiency photovoltaic cells engineered to transmute the solar radiance into an inexhaustible voltaic reserve. This roof is not just a product, it's a testament to our commitment to sustainable, technologically advanced, and exciting solutions. We hope you're as excited about it as we are.
You've heard it all from the man himself. Isaiah Industries has created the world's first 3D printed metal roof with AI capabilities, a true marvel of engineering. Visit racetherufus.com to learn more and follow the journey of this incredible new product.